only one video for online. Nigeria soldiers na yo Igbo youth. Kafa join the army. Kafa join no soldiers. Yes, what happened to NMPC? What happened to EFCC? Or soldiers kunu patana yo Igbo youth kafa join here. That is impossible. Yes, that is impossible. God, it's possible that Igbo youth got join the soldiers. Yes, just me play the full video. Kono fefe these people ne patana yo Igbo youth kafa join the soldiers. After this election, most na that na Igbos they cannot rule Nigeria. Yes, we can do Igbo cheer. After gonna able a soldier, a soldier. When after na yo Igbo youth kafa join there. Yes, me play the full video. Kono fefe this young man ne but I understand na after last year, organ about form army. And now put about 200 youth from Enugu State. After say this that na read the 100 youth. Yes, that's a read 100 youth. Just me print the full video. Kono phone if this soldier ne. Yes, that's not for your Igbo youth kafa join here soldiers. Just watching this video. Kono phone.
The Nigerian Army headquarters have begun a sensitization of mass enrollment of Igbo youths into the Nigerian Army to fill up the drop-in quota of the Southeast Zone. Today in Enugu, Army delegates are interfacing with local government chairmen, traditional rulers, a town union president, and leadership of the student union, echoing the importance and motivating the Igbo youths to join the Nigerian Army. Noting that withdrawal of Igbo youth from joining the Army en masse could affect the collective interest of the zone.
The last quarter of last year, Enugu State had a slot of about 200 persons, but they were not able to fill up to 100. A lot of young men that really want to join the army, but for some of these sentiments being bandied around, some of them lack encouragement from the local government councils. We have come to get the buy-in of the grassroots politicians, our royal family.
Onwere isi na una yo ndi Igbo kafa join here army. Yes, onwere isi that na unu bụ Nigerians na yo ndi Igbo kafa join here army because afu me any advantage no n'ime. Yes, afu me any advantage bụ na onye Igbo mana ọ bụ onye Igbo ọnọkọta no tikere no aga join army. Yes, also sa army kono for can una yo ndi Igbo kafa join here. Yes, also army kono for unga yo ndi Igbo kafa bia join here. Ogini mere NMPC. Ogini mere all these top forces no na this country. Una ga yo Igbos kafa join no army kono for. Kono bia kpọrọ fa kafa join here. Go kwa brief mata dey rule. Maka ndị na chika kafa join army. Na kwa fa ha na yo ndi Igbo kafa join army, but it is impossible for Igbos to join army in this nowadays. Thanks for watching.